All right, the video you've all been waiting for, the fastest way to raise your credit. Now I'm gonna have a couple different videos with this theme. They're gonna come over, they're gonna be sort of the same, but they're gonna be different, right? I wanna package them in ways that some people, because not everyone is going to get everything out of this one video. So just understand some of these are gonna have overlap, okay? So what's the fastest way to raise your credit? Well, anytime you apply for some form of credit or loan, someone is checking your credit report. And if you have a low credit score, it's game over. You won't get approved. The good news is that yes, you can increase your credit score. Plus, it's not hard and it won't cost you a fortune. So listen really carefully, because what I'm going to tell you exactly what to do to raise your credit in the quickest, most efficient, and affordable way possible. Removing negative items. We're going to go over this list and we're going to start there. Removing negative items is the fastest way to raise your credit. The two most negative or common negative items on your credit report that hurts your score are collections and inquiries. So first, let's talk about inquiries. These are what show up on your credit report every time you apply for credit. Inquiries will remain on your credit report for up to 2 years, and you can lower your score by 3 to 7 points per inquiry. Plus, if you have too many inquiries on your credit report within the last 6 months, like more than 5 or 6, this alone could get you denied for loans, credit cards, mortgages, and even more. Now we're going to move on to collections. These show up on your credit report once you've failed to make payments on an account for more than 6 months. Once you've stopped paying, the creditor notifies the credit bureaus and sells your debt to a debt collector. Not only do collections drastically lower your credit score, but even a single collection could stop you from getting approved for credit. Now, how much are negative items hurting my credit score? Every inquiry on your credit report can lower your credit score by up to 3 to 7 points, which can add up fast. For example, if you have 5 to 10 inquiries on your report right now, you could be losing out on 35 to 70 points on your credit score. Collections are even worse. A single collection could lower your score by up to 50 or 100 points. And if you have multiple collections, then you could be losing out on hundreds of points from your credit score. Is it really, I've had this question before, is it really possible to remove these negative items? The answer is yes. A little known fact is that many companies perform a credit inquiry on your report without having proper consent. If this is the case, then they are violating a federal law called the Fair Credit Reporting Act, or FCRA. Debt collectors are also bound by the FCRA as well as the FDCPA, which stands for the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act. They must be able to provide proof that you owe the debt. They must be legally allowed to collect that debt. They must be licensed to collect in your state, and the list goes on. But who makes sure they're following the law? Well, now you do. As a consumer, you've got the legal right to dispute the validity of any collection, inquiry, or account on your credit report. Upon doing so, the debt collector or the company who performed an inquiry must provide documented proof that they have followed all the applicable laws and regulations. If they fail to provide this proof, then the credit bureaus are required to remove the negative items from your credit report, thus raising your credit score. Now, you're probably wondering if this is difficult and time-consuming process. Well, it is, if you try and do it all by yourself, but you're also saving money. You know, there are companies that you can pay to do this, or you could do it yourself. Really, what it comes down to is, what is your time worth? Now, if you're not making a lot of money right now, or you're in a position where you have free time, why wouldn't you do it? There are some things that people ask me before, are there any tricks to making this work, right? Anyone can open a dispute online with the credit bureaus, and it doesn't work all the time, right? So I want you to understand that the online system sort of at times is designed to work against you, you being the consumer. It's not surprising because credit bureaus are in the business of putting information on your credit report, not taking things off your credit report. So if you see anything questionable, information on your credit report, such as potentially inaccurate or erroneous collections or inquiries, the trick is to send a physical letter demanding proof and challenging the legality of collections and inquiries in question. If they fail to provide adequate proof within 30 days, The credit bureaus must remove negative items from your credit report. So again, doing it in writing is so much better than doing it online. So make sure, and you've got a great paperwork trail as well. I hope this answers your questions on the fastest way to build your credit by being proactive, getting in there, getting those inquiries taken off, getting the collections taken off if they can't provide proof. And I'll tell you what, a lot of people have done this, and I've seen success here. I haven't personally done it, but there are things that were on your credit report that were legit. And by you asking the credit card company to provide proof, and sometimes it gets so caught up in red tape or the company doesn't get to it, I've seen people actually have those inquiries taken off their credit report, even though they were legit, simply because the credit bureaus have to go by the same rules as the credit card companies, and they just didn't answer you back. So you've got proof. I've seen that happen. So this is really good news. Hey, with that being said, let's move on to the next lesson.